Microsoft PowerPoint is our topic today. So Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation software which is used to make presentations. Like you have a seminar, you can make a presentation. Maybe you have a lecture, you can make a presentation using PowerPoint. So we are going to see how we use Microsoft PowerPoint, a few basics. So to open PowerPoint, go to your search button and you click PowerPoint. So you click on it. We are going to use, we have different, but we are going to start with a blank presentation. You can have welcome, bring your presentation and so on. So we are going to look at a blank presentation. So when we click blank presentation, we see Microsoft PowerPoint works with slides. It is similar to Microsoft Word, but instead Microsoft Word uses pages, but in PowerPoint we work with slides. So we have slide 1. So if I want like 5 slides, I can click on new to add more slides. So I have now 5 slides. Anytime you click on new, you get a new slide. So on these slides, you cannot type directly like in Microsoft Word. You must use a text box. So always in PowerPoint, if you don't have a text box to use, you come to the insert button there. Then you come to shapes. Then you can select a text box. Then you can draw a text box to use. Right now, I'm going to use the text boxes which are already there. So on the first slide, that's where we put the title. And then we put also the names of the presenter. Say, let us look at the title, which is Computer Startup, Setup and Startup. So on the first slide, that is our title. We put it there. Then you can put the names of the presenter by Soke Martin. So first slide is basically the title and the names of the presenter. Then you go to the second slide. Second slide, I'm going to put the introduction. Now, when you come here, PowerPoint lets you put things in bullets because in PowerPoint, we only make summaries. So we are going to put bullets here for our introduction. And the first introduction, we are going to look at what is a computer. Then we are going to look at history of computers. Then we are going to look at buying a computer. Then we look at challenges of computers. And then let's say we look at Microsoft application programs. So that is the first slide, the second slide. Then we go to the third slide. So we begin now putting it into details. So the first item was what is a computer. So here we put what is a computer. So we can put a definition of a computer. A computer is an electronic device that inputs the data, processes it, and output data or stores the data. So as you see here, I'm just outlining points. I'm not typing the same as it's supposed to be typed in Microsoft Word. So it means I can explain these points. Then when I go to the third slide, we are going to look at history of computers. So history of computers. I can talk of the first generation computer, second generation computers, third, fourth. And when I go to a fifth slide, I have challenges buying a computer. So buying computers, I want to look at the RAM, then I want to look at the storage, I want to look at the processor, then I want to look at the manufacturer, and I want to look at the generation. So as you see now, I have 5 slides, but my content is I still need 2 more slides for challenges and Microsoft application programs. So when I get to the fifth slide, I click on new so that I can have the challenges. So I can talk of advantages of computers and disadvantages. And I can talk of trends in computing. I'm just summarizing, but I can make some brief notes here about the advantages of computers. I can make some brief notes, and I can make some brief notes, but all is in brief. Then I can add a fifth slide, a seventh slide, which is going to have Microsoft application programs. So I have Microsoft application programs. So I can talk of Microsoft Word, I can talk of Excel, PowerPoint, Access, and Publisher. So here we have made the skeleton of our PowerPoint presentation. We have made the skeleton. In the next video, we are going to start editing this PowerPoint to enhance its look so that it looks differently. We are going to format it so that our viewers, our readers, or the people we are presenting to are not bored by just the ordinary slides. So we are going to add graphics, colors, and so on. And most of the features we are going to use are the features which we have seen already in Microsoft Word, because PowerPoint is an application of Microsoft Word. If you know Microsoft Word very well, then you are going to find it easy to use PowerPoint. Let's meet in the next video.